if you want to rewrite an expression that has multiple logs in it, and you want to rewrite it so that it only has one, you have to use various log rules. Well, the first rule that we're going to use for this one says that if you have a number being multiplied by a natural log, then you can just raise the thing inside the natural log to that as an exponent, so plus the natural log of x to the third. Now the next rule says that if you have two natural logs being added together, then you can just multiply the two things inside of them together under one natural log. So this will be the natural log of 3x minus 2 times x to the third. And if you wanted to simplify it, be 3x to the fourth minus 2x to the third. Okay. So this one is going to work similarly. We're first going to deal with this 3 here. So this will give us the log of x minus 4 to the third. You might like the double parenthesis there, log of 2. Okay. And if you have two logs being subtracted from each other, that's just one log with those two things being divided by each other. Okay. Alright, so this one, we're going to bring this into the log and use it as an exponent. So it's the natural log of 4 to the 1/2 plus the natural log of 8 to the 1/3 minus the natural log of x to the 1/7. Well, whenever you have a fractional exponent like this, it just represents a root. So this is the same thing as 4 to the 1/2 is the same thing as the square root of 4. So this is just the natural log of 2. This is the same thing as the cube root of 8. So it's just the natural log of 8. And I'm going to go ahead and write this with a 7th root of x. Okay. So I have two natural logs being added to each other, so I can write that as just 2 times 8 minus the natural log, the 7th root of x. So it's the natural log of 16 minus the natural log of the 7th root of x. Well, whenever they're being subtracted, you can just write it as 1 with a fraction, 16 over the 7th root of x.